Hey, welcome to the man with the pen. Everything I'm going to do again is all in this pen. You know, it's Lent season, and Lent season, a fish, could be really expensive. But I'm going to show you something that's super special, super easy to make. All what you do is you grab one tub of Surimi Okara. Here. It's like the tofu katsu in here. You got some carrots and other things in here. And you got one tub of surimi, amano surimi right here. And you got one egg. You got all the surimi and put it in a bowl. Okay? There you go. Simple as that. And the surimi is found by Amano. It's made in Hilo. And a lot of guys in Honolulu, they come and buy the surimi. And you get one okara. Put it in the bowl. It's there, okay? The surimi and the okara. You mix it up, yeah? Inside there, you crack one egg. Just like this. And you mix it up. Oil in the pan. As soon as the pan is hot, you make some patties like this, okay? Okay? And you fry it right inside of the pan, okay? Yeah, okay? Dump them all in here. It's a very reasonable, inexpensive dish, and as you can see, it's really healthy. It's all about almost done here. Look at that. Okay, here you go. I guess you call it okara tempura. Actually, you can put shrimp inside if you want. Or you can use poke, you can use anything you want in the surimi. It's so ono. But I wanted to make it healthy. I got the okara. Here's the tempura. Oh! This is my go-to dish. Oh! Piping hot. Real good. Delicious. We'll see you again. And stay tuned to the Pen and the Man. Aloha.